so I got all your names in the hat right here. That's all of them. Seriously, there wasn't many of them, but I'm just mixing them up. Mixing them up, trust me. Whoop, one that out. A little different. Oh, the camera killer, he'd be bad if he wasn't in there. Get back in there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna randomly select somebody. Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome to Wally's Welding World. I'm the Weld Professor. If you didn't know about me, now you know about me. So I just wanted to bring you back out here because I have my giveaway and I didn't kick it off for a while, and it was up to the weekly, so I said I'd make it up to you guys. So I'm here to make it up to you guys. A promise is a promise. I always keep my promise. And we're going to get the ball rolling back on the weekly giveaways. So I wanted to bring you guys out here today into my basically, you know, my workshop and help you guys have some free stuff that I want to give away to you guys, you know. So I got some free gifts that I want to give away. And if you haven't contacted me yet about your last prize, or you feel like you haven't got it, please contact me. Wally'sWeldingWorld@gmail.com. You know where you can reach me. That's where you can reach me. If you can't reach me there, my cell phone number is, and then you can get a hold of me there, okay? So go ahead and just hit me up through the email or give me a call. And yeah, man, so I'm so excited, right? It's awesome. 2020's here, man. Today is 1/20/20, exactly. And let's go ahead and do a giveaway today. I want to give you guys something good, and that's how I do it. So this is how I've been doing it, man. I get in here and I think of ways to basically be creative, to be honest about the giveaway, so people don't feel like it's rigged, right? Because some people are like, oh, it's rigged, man. And who wants a rigged giveaway? That's kind of lame in my opinion. So let's just be real. Let's have a giveaway. So I put all the names in a hat. Yeah. I'll put all the names in a hat, right? I got all your names in the hat, and I'm going to keep this fair. I got all these names in these hat. I'm going to mix it up, and I'm not going to look at these names. Actually, I'm going to turn my back, and I'm going to pick these up, and I'm going to set them down. I'm not going to look, right? I'm not going to look. It's got to be fair, okay? So whoever this is, I don't know who it is. Well, sorry, not you. You don't get to win. Let's pick somebody else. All right, I'm digging. I'm being honest about this. Look. It's honesty, guys. Honesty is everything. All right, so here he is. Here's the winner. Let's just put him right there, you know. Keep an eye on that. That's the winner. Now, if this guy doesn't claim his prize, this is the winner. Okay, so we got second place runner-up, and we got first place runner-up, right? All right. I'm going to bring these into you. Oh, great. So we got Mr. Gorman out of New Mexico here. That's our first place winner. And if he doesn't claim it, it looks like Ashton out of Texas is going to be claiming it. Go ahead and bring those into you guys and show you. That's who they are. Okay? That's who these guys are. Those are our winners today. All right? Give these guys a round of applause, you know. That's who our winner is for last week. Not this giveaway. Not last week, because oh god, it's been like 3 months, I think. This is the giveaway from 3 months ago. I know I've been slacking, but I'm gonna make it up to you guys. We're gonna have a giveaway right now. I'm gonna do a giveaway for you guys. But that is our last week's giveaway. So you need to email me, please. Email me or call me, and let's get it situated. Let's get those prizes out to you. Now let's go ahead and go on to our next, what I got going on, man. So you guys know I'm teamed up with SoCo. She's part of the teammate, right? It's part of the team, right? SoCo. So of course you know, SoCo has prizes for you always. SoCo wants to start this giveaway for you guys and give back to you guys. You know, you guys are so awesome. You give us so much, and we want to give back to you guys. So we're going to use this platform to give back to you guys. It's not like we're asking for money or anything. It's real simple. You know, these rules are real simple. All you got to really do is just tag TWP, hashtag TWP. And TWP stands for what? The Weld Professor. Because who am I? I'm Walter, also known as the Weld Professor. Okay, so please do that. But also, you guys can't forget, a lot of you guys are missing the entry because you're not putting where you're from. You don't need to put your exact town. You don't need to put your exact city. Just put the state. Or if you don't even want to say the state, just say United States. I'll accept that. But you got to definitely represent somewhere. Represent. That's what it's about. Represent, right? Okay, so we're going to get back into the weekly giveaways because that's what I want to do. It's here with the free knowledge I'm dropping for you guys because I'm about giving free knowledge out, right? So we're teamed up with SoCo, man. And SoCo is giving me the stuff to give to you guys to give back to the community because we believe in giving back. And of course, also, I'm going to throw my slaps in there. Whee! Yeah. You'll get my slaps. Guarantee that. Because this is my page. And you guys are very special to me, you know. You mean a lot to me. You mean more to me than you probably possibly know. My channel is giving the knowledge out to the industry that needs it the most, man. We started Row Access. Row Access was created to bring the old school to the new school, right? And it's not like taking the old school and not valuing it. It's appreciating it. Because you got to understand, we got to appreciate and honor these, I don't want to call them old timers. I want to call them veterans, you know. These veterans. They're old time. I can't. You old timers. But you veteran old times, right? And you've done so much great things for us. And we want to honor your tradition. So that's what it is. It's about honoring your tradition and bringing you guys into the workshop that I have provided for you guys. And really just being that one-on-one instruction that you need to learn to get to where I'm at. I mean, yeah, there's so much to it. You have to soak it all in. That's why I say when you come prepared. All right, so we're going to give a lot away today. More than I've ever given away, I think, here on this YouTube channel. Magnum Reel has arrived on the scene. And I'm teamed up with them. They're awesome. They're a product out of Canada who provides some awesome reels. You also see me promote some other reels maybe once at another time too. And until you really find out who might have like the best product and best advice and best kind of relationship that would suit you for your needs, you know. And I'm all about, you know me. I'm all about being a nice person. But at the same time, you have to realize, guys, that being a nice person can get you in a bind. And get you in trouble and get you taken advantage of. And so I'm not out to get taken advantage of here. I'm just wanting to partner with people like Magnum and SoCo to really help them out. And that's why I'm here today, is to help you out. But yeah, I might help some other people out as too. So when you see me promoting them and helping them out, is because you have to realize is we're all a team here and we all work together. It's about making the dream come true, you know. So let's go ahead and just give it out. You know, I definitely want to give away, another wicked ass Magnum hat. You know, we have another Magnum hat to add on there, and it's getting cold out, so you're gonna need a beanie, right? You're gonna need that beanie, and it's gonna be really cold, so you might want to bundle up. And so we got a hoodie for you, you know, a Magnum hoodie coming out to you. Now I'll be straight up right now. This is a size large, and we also have a Magnum shirt here that is a size large. And so this giveaway is for the large. I wouldn't say like the extra large, but the large person. If you wear a size large, this competition's for you giveaway. So all my large people out there that are wanting the slaps, the hats, the caps, and the things that go on their backs. We're also gonna throw in a badass Wicked SoCo bag for your hood, because you need to be protecting your hoods. They get banged up, they get thrown around in the back of your vehicle, your gang box, your locker, wherever it is, right? And so let's protect it. And so I want to give these items to you guys today in appreciation for you guys just following me. And I have so much more in store for you, and I'm glad that you are tuning along. And yeah, I appreciate it. I don't really have much to say, but that I just want to give back, and so do my people that I roll with. You know, I try to roll with winners, man. I try to roll with good people. And sometimes in my circle there might be a weak link. And I'm not saying I don't want to roll with that person, because we'll help that weak link be strong. But there's an old saying sometimes, you know, like when the wolf pack had a weak link in it, you know, they would feed on that weak link and they would get rid of it. And they would eliminate it to make the pack stronger. So, you know, think about things in life like that, right? But it's all good. I love everybody, and I appreciate all you guys, all you've done for me. And I can't express it enough. Yesterday we put my mom to rest finally, and I got some peace. I'm finally at peace. I feel at peace, and I'm ready to move on. It's a hard thing. I've been grieving since my birthday on the 1st, and it's just been really, really hard these last couple months. But I managed, because I have to pull through. I'm the man of my family here, and I must provide for my wife and my children and be that rock for them. So it's always in the back of my mind that I have to, be there for them and be strong for them, because they need me just as much as I need them. Again, guys, welcome to Wally's Welding World. I'm the Weld Professor. If you guys did not get in on the giveaway, it's okay. It's not for everybody. Not everybody's a size large. Not everybody was a 7 3/4 hat. So let's just keep the ball rolling. Let's keep it going. Let's keep giving back. Do me a favor, guys. Spread the word. Tell your friends about it. They wear size large. Hit them up. Tell them, hey, man, I heard about this, and it's a good opportunity. I might get it, but you might get it too. Don't be, how do I put this? But don't be stingy. Share it. If it's not you winning, hopefully it's your friend that wins it. And be happy for them. Be thankful for them. Be like, yeah, hey, man, I'm glad I told you about it. Give me a slap, sucker. Let me get that hat, It's real, man. We're all friends, right? At the end of the day, we all put our head down on a pillow and take an 8-hour, 5-hour, 3-hour, whatever we can get. Get it in while you can get it, man. Life is great. I truly feel that. You got to really know where you're headed in life if you want to get there. So, again, this is me just always giving back. This is all I really have today. I'm just chilling, man. I haven't really worked, and I'm loving it. I'll be back to work soon, though. Probably sooner than I need to be. So I soak it all in while I have the time, right? While I have the time with my wife and my kids. I love it, and I enjoy it. So before you know it, I'm going to be back on the road. And if I have to, I got to travel. We do what we got to do to make ends meet in the end of our lives. Just be happy with whatever thing you're doing, okay? This ain't no motivational speech. This is just me being me, guys. And if you find it as motivation and drive, boy, get it. Girl, get it. Whoever you is, get it. Only you can make the difference, right? I'm out. Peace, guys. We'll wrap to you later.